Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5. Here you can see this is Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the specification of this ROM. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. Let's check the specification. Here you can see this is the Project Sakura ROM. Here you can see this is based on the Lineage OS. This is purely based on the Lineage OS Project Sakura. Here you can see Sakura version आपको 4.3 मिल जाएगा. Here you will get the Sakura version 4.R. Maintainer name is Riyansh. Here you can see Android security patch 5 January security patch. This is the latest security patch available. How is the performance of this ROM in gaming? We will also check. So don't worry. Here you can see Jio and BSNL is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Jio and BSNL. It works perfectly and the battery performance is good. We will also check the SOT screen on time if available. Here you can see Volt is also working perfectly. Volt icon is working and the Bluetooth is working perfectly. Euroto, here you can see this is our device. It is already connected. It works perfectly, no problem. And the battery bar is also working. Bluetooth battery bar and the Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in the Wi-Fi. Net is also working perfectly. Wi-Fi hotspot, each and every feature is tested, so don't worry. Airplane modes, all the features are working perfectly. There is no problem in switching the SIMs. Let's have the app notification. Here is the screen time. Let's have the screen time. 1 hour 80 minutes. I have used a Call of Duty game for 1 hour. There is no lag in the gaming also. We will check the gaming later on, so don't worry. 1 hour 18 minutes. Here is the battery performance. Let's check the battery saver and performance is also available. Extreme power saver is also available. Here you can see you can change it according to your use. Battery light is working perfectly on charging and via notification. Let's check the battery usage. Here you can see there is a detailed battery usage. Call of Duty 1 hour. Let's check other features also. Let's check the display. Here is the display and the brightness level is working perfectly, no problem in the brightness level. Here you can see you can easily increase or decrease the brightness and the dark theme is working. Here you can see pure black is also available. If you turn on the, you will get the pure black. Here is the pure black. You can choose it according to your use. Let's check the feature. Adaptive brightness is also working perfectly, no problem in the adaptive brightness. Live display. Here is the styles and wallpaper. You can choose a custom create. I have already created. Here you can see these are the fonts available. You can change it according to your use. Here is the icons. There are few icons and the color, and you can choose the shape also. It works perfectly, no problem. Each and every feature is working perfectly, there is no problem. And the grid clock is also working. Samsung clock. Here is the clock of Spidey. Samsung Bolt is also available. Dot clock is also available. Let's apply this. Let me check whether it works or not. Here you can see it's not working. This analog clock does not work. Let's check other also. Here you can see it works perfectly, but only analog clock is not working. Font size, you can adjust the font without any problem. Display size, you can adjust the display size also. Double tap to wake. Here is the double tap to wake is also working on the screen. Here you can see double tap to wake is working. Purple, you can change the color also. Here is the color, you can change it according to your use. Font is also icon, you can change the icon also. It works perfectly, no problem. And the sound performance is good. Sound is loud enough, so don't worry. There is no problem in the sound, and the vibration is also working in the navigation bar, and the call vibration is also working, and the location is also working perfectly. There is no problem in location. Storage 5.86 GB storage is free, as there is no files, only the games. Here is the secure configuration. These all are the interference. You can check the interference of the Volt icon is not working. You can enable it. 4G icons, old style also available. Here you can see the changes. You can adjust it according to your traffic indicator is also available. You can enable the traffic indicator if you want to enable it. It works perfectly. Both combine, download, upload, both is available, so don't worry. One UI setting action is also working. Secure theme series, the ChocoX baked, different types of the background theme is also available. Animation, here the animation, closing application, open application animation, screen of animation is also there. It works perfectly without any problem. Here you can see if you enable the animation, your phone will be laggy or slow. Here is the quick setting is also available. Vibrate on touch. Here is the quick setting. These are the quick settings. You can adjust the row, column, landscape. Custom header image is also available in this ROM. You can adjust the header also according to your use. You can use your own picture also. Here the lock screen secure menu is also available. Notification, here the notification heads up is also available, and the horizon light is also available. Edge lighting is also available. It works perfectly. There is no problem on the low battery. It also works perfectly. There is no problem. In here the gestures 3-finger screenshot is also available. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in the 3-finger screenshot. Let me take the screenshot. Here you can see it works perfectly, there is no problem. USB gestures is also available. 3-button navigation bar gestures is also available in this ROM. Each and every feature is working perfectly. There is no lag or any problem in this ROM. Let's check the face unlock and the fingerprint. How fast is the face unlock and the fingerprint of our device? 1 2 3. Let me apply the password, then we will check the face unlock and the fingerprint speed. Here you can see you can easily apply the fingerprint without any problem. There is no problem in applying the fingerprint also. Let's check the speed. Tap, open, and the speed of the fingerprint is very good. There is no problem in the speed. And the face unlock, let's check the face unlock also. Here you can see face unlock is not working. Something went wrong. Face unlock does not work. Face unlock is not working in the device. Let me check it again for you. Face unlock does not work in this device, in this ROM. Maybe in the future it may fixed. Or you can see these are the buttons, gestures, status bar, button features, system profile. These all are the features. You can check it according to your use. If you want to install, all the features are working, only the face unlock is not working till now. Here you can see these all are the features. Let's check the 3D and to the benchmark test. What is the score? 86,280 is the score. You can check or compare it with other videos also, other ROMs. Side by side performance test will also be uploaded. Memory, here is the memory performance, UX, data processing speed 1.5 increase in the temperature, total 24.2 highest temperature. Let's check the safety net. Safety net is passed, so don't worry. You will be able to use the banking application or Geo application. It works perfectly, there is no problem. And YouTube Vanished is already installed. I have not installed this, it is already pre-installed. Here you can see the Geo application is working perfectly, there is no problem in the Geo application. I have tested, so don't worry. Now let's check the Call of Duty test. How is the performance of the Call of Duty in this ROM? Let me show you the settings, graphics settings. Before playing, audio and graphics, graphic quality is low, and frame rate I will turn it to high. Now let's go to adjust, customize. Now let's go back. Here you can see I have successfully changed. Now let's check the performance of Call of Duty in Project Sakura ROM Android 11. Here you can see it is lagging right now as enemies have come. Right now it is lagging. Now let's check again whether it works or not. You can see you will feel lag in the starting, but right now there is no lag. It is almost fixed, or it will be okay after playing for a few minutes. Performance is better in this ROM, so don't worry. You will not feel lag, so much lag. You will be able to play the game. And you can see it works perfectly. So if I tell you about the overall performance of this ROM in the gaming, so it is good, so don't worry. And the battery performance is also good. You can use it for gaming also if you want. It works perfectly, gaming works perfectly without any problem. Only there will be lag in the starting, so else it is better. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.